today's video, you know what it is. It's time for a BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm so happy BoxyCharm was kind enough to send me the July base box, and it actually arrived earlier than other months, so I get to post it a little bit before the end of the month. I'm so excited for this month's BoxyCharm. I posted the sneak peeks on my Instagram and as well as a quick unboxing, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's jump in. This month's theme is sunshine. It's so beautiful. I actually didn't plan this, guys. I realized that my clips match this. I did, however, put my yellow tank top because the theme is sunshine and I wanted to be a little bit of sunshine. As you guys know, we get 5 full-size products for $25. So the first item in the list is the Clean Skin Club. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Oh my god, I was actually so excited to get this one from the options. First of all, because it's a bigger product. Second of all, because I also already have the Babe Lash Serum. It's not quite the same. The one I have is Nectar, but it's still a lash serum. So I'm happy that I got this one. You can use it as a booster or as a serum. So if you want to use it as a booster, you have to mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. It can be applied in the morning and in the evening. Now, if you just want to use it as a normal serum, you can just apply 3 drops directly to your face and your neck after cleansing. That's how I used it in this video. I used it as a serum. I didn't want to mix in my cream or any other serums with this one just because it's my first time and I wanted to try it. It smells so good, guys. You can smell everything, all 3 of them together. Watermelon, pineapple, and green tea. Feels very hydrating. It doesn't feel thick. It does become a little bit tacky, but when it becomes kind of tacky, it starts being absorbed by your skin and afterwards you don't feel it, and it works perfectly as a base for your makeup. I actually wanted something hydrating that is not a cream because it's too heavy. This is a lot lighter and I like how watery it feels. This little guy retails for $49.95, so it's twice as much as the box itself. Next, we have the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Guys, I wanted to try cream eyeshadow for a while. Because of summer, the heat is super intense. I normally don't wear anything on my eyes because my eyelids are normally like a brown color, so it kind of looks like I have an eyeshadow. I don't particularly use anything. Sometimes I may add a little bit of highlight in the center of my eyelid. I'm so happy I got this by Studio Makeup. This is in the shade Gold. It has a nice applicator, which I actually use directly to my eye. I swiped a little bit on my eyelid and then I used my finger and pat it through the entire eyelid. Kind of feel like it reminds me of the Stila eyeshadows. They're like glitters. You can apply as much as you want. It's so pretty. I had in mind to use it all over my eyelid. I didn't want to use any base underneath, but I decided to use the deeper shade in one of the palettes that I'm going to show you to bring in some depth into my eye. I really love this makeup look. It's so simple and so easy. You can add a wing liner, but I decided to keep it simple. You know, it's sunshine, it's summer. I can see myself not using anything on my eyelids other than this. The formula feels a little bit liquidy when you apply it, but it dries quickly, so you don't have to worry about your eyelids creasing. It has not creased yet. I mean, this is for me a daytime look. If you wanted to apply less, the first swipe that you do and then you pat it, it comes off as a soft and radiant look if you think this is too much glitter. So this guy retails for $25, the price of the entire box. Next, we have the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. If you follow me again on Instagram, you know that I wanted this. I posted all 3 options that you could receive. The other option was Blushed in Paradise. That was a palette of full blushes, which I wouldn't have minded if I would have gotten that one, but my eyes were set on this one because I needed a new palette to contour with. There was a third option, which was, I believe, a Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette. I think that's what it was called. It has pretty colors, but I didn't want an eyeshadow palette. I wanted the contour palette, and I'm glad that I did get that one. This palette has 4 shades. I am going to say, though, that it might be a little bit too dark for me to use this color. If I were to use it on my under eye, I cannot use this to brighten up my skin. Probably if I get darker, we'll have to see. This one might be too dark to contour for me, so what I did is I used these 2 as eyeshadow. This one is my transition shade, and this one to add some depth into my eyes. They blend so soft and so easy. I had no problem with that. For contouring, I actually use these two. I use this one for my forehead, my cheeks, my neck, and this one for my nose. So it's a little bit softer, so it's not too intense. I love this palette. I'm so happy. Even though these two shades, I wouldn't use them so much, but I will definitely use them as eyeshadow. You can also use this all over the eyelid. This retails for $30. They released some sneak peeks later on. And when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, I really hope I get that one because it's a nice lip gloss. It's really pretty, and I've always wanted to try Alamar Cosmetics. So when I opened this box, guess who was in it? I'm so happy, guys. This gloss is amazing. This is the Birthday Suit lip gloss. Alamar Cosmetics is actually celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing this Birthday Suit lip gloss. It's such a pretty gloss, guys. Look at it. It has a sheen to it. It's kind of a clear lip gloss with a little hint of the pink that you see. I overlined my lips and I filled them in using the Dose of Colors Truffle Lip Liner. I added just a little bit of that color to kind of even out my lips because my lips are not the same color all over. Because I did fill it in, but I probably filled it in super soft. That's why you see the overline. It's a very beautiful sheery gloss. It's very, very comfortable to wear. I'm so happy I got it. This little guy retails for $15. And last but not least, we didn't see this item in any sneak peeks, but instead we saw it in one of the variations of the base boxes. It's the Cream Shop Next Gen Blender Set. I freaking love them. They are so soft, guys. I was just talking about the softness of beauty sponges that I have used, and to me, none of them compared to the Beauty Blender except the Real Techniques. The Real Techniques is super soft. I obviously washed them already. They're still damp, so they're pretty big right now. They're super soft. I love that this blender actually has like a marbly pink pattern on it. This one's completely like a nude color. It's pretty. I love that it comes in two, you know, it's not just one. They clean up pretty easily. I love them. So basically I use this one for my foundation, the rounded part. I normally love to use a sponge for my foundation, and I use this side for my concealer because I'm used to that, but then I actually also use the flat part to kind of blend in everything together. I also used it for my nose highlight, and this one I left it to set my face. So I use this for my under eye, and this side I baked the bottom part of my cheek, so it was super easy to just go like shoop, shoop. Also used it on my chin. I believe I used this flat side to add a little bit of powder there. So as you can see, this sponge has 3 cuts, so 1, 2, and the bottom part 3. I don't know if I would use the bottom part for anything. I really like these 2 cuts. You can also use them for cream and or liquid products and powder. They work really well. This blender set retails for $22. Alright guys, so the total value for this month is $141.95, which is a lot. You're only paying $25 to get this entire box with all 5 full-size products. My favorite product of the month, oh my god guys, I don't know. I loved every item. I honestly can't pick any. No, I can't. This whole box, so pretty. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below which item would you pick as your favorite. Alright guys, so it's time to jump into the makeup tutorial.
Alone and loud, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, ours will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, ours will meet again. Stop to care, we should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Mine, you're 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 mine. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. made for you and me. I wish this dream could be real. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. 'Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. That's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you might? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. 'Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. 'Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day.
And that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to leave in the comments down below your favorite item for this month. And also let me know what you received in your BoxyCharm. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Something's weighing heavy. Created too much pressure, this ain't healthy. We were